New York State has ended a COVID-19 mandate requiring face coverings in most indoor public settings, but the masking rules will stay in place in schools for now. The mask mandate for places like grocery stores, shops and offices was put in place December 10 as the Omicron variant began infecting huge numbers of New Yorkers. It expired at midnight Thursday after Governor Kathy Hochul announced she would not extend the rule. Hochul said infection rates and hospitalizations have declined to a level where it is safe to rescind the order. The statewide mandate will end, but cities and counties can keep their own mask mandates in place, Governor Kathy Hochul says. This fight is not over, we're not surrendering. This is not disarmament, she told reporters at her New York City office, but again the trends are very, very positive. Other Democratic governors have taken similar steps in recent days, ending masking mandates in public places or in schools. The White House has also signaled it's beginning to prepare for a less restrictive phase of the national pandemic response. Masks will still be required in some places in New York, including healthcare facilities, certain types of shelters and public transit. Private businesses will be free to set their own masking rules for employees and customers. LocalHochul said the state will revisit the question of whether to continue requiring masks in schools in the first week of March, after many children return to classrooms following planned winter breaks. Hoboken lifted its mask mandate for businesses and public places, but there are some exceptions. NBC New York's Brian Thompson reports. Millions of COVID-19 tests will be distributed to schoolchildren, she said, with the intent that kids get tested before or shortly after they return to class. Data from those tests will help inform the state's next steps. After the break, after we have kids tested, we're going to make an assessment in the first week of March, Hochul said. Specifics of the testing plan are still being worked out, the administration said. Hochul had previously said she would like to see vaccination rates for children improve before she does away with the school's mandate, which has been in place since August. Only 30% of kids age 5 to 11 are fully vaccinated, according to state data, compared with just over two-thirds of 12 to 17-year-olds. New York's broader masking rule was initially set to expire weeks ago, but was extended while state officials waited for the Omicron wave to subside.